Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic dental and cosmetic preparations, in that specially facial cosmetics from pharmaceutics too. So the topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: the facial cosmetics. Already we are seeing some few facial cosmetics in our last session. So we will see the remaining facial cosmetics in this session. Preparations of eye makeup, in that eyeshadow, eyebrow pencils and mascara, then lipstick, bleaches and shaving media. So first of all, let's see about the preparations of eye makeup, in that eyeshadow, eyebrow pencils and mascara. So first of all, let's see about eyeshadow. These are the preparations which produce the attractive, moist looking background of color to the eyes. They applied to the eyelids. They are available in a various shades. In that types of eyeshadow are eyeshadow creams, eyeshadow stick, powder pressed eyeshadow and liquid eyeshadow. Then eyebrow pencils. These are the hard pencils which are used for darkening the eyebrows. Contains mainly black iron oxide, manufactured by pencil manufacturers, available in a black and brown color, in that contain a high proportion of waxes to make them hard so that they can be molded as a thin stick and sharpened to a point. Let's see in the diagram. Then mascara. Mascara is a black pigmented preparation applied to eyelashes or eyebrows to beautify eyes. It is used to darken eyelashes or eyebrows and increase their length. It is applied with brush. Types of mascara are cake mascara, melted wax, cream mascara, that is a vanishing cream base is used in this liquid mascara, the alcoholic solution with resin in which carbon black is suspended. So let's see in the figure, these are mascara. This is applicant. With the help of this applicant, the mascara is applied to the eye. Then next, lipsticks. Most widely used cosmetic item by women to give an attractive color and appearance to lips, in that pigments dissolve or dispensed in a fatty base, that is fats, waxes with suitable perfume. Ideal qualities are non-toxic, non-irritant, stable both physically and chemically, free from gritty particles, free from sweating, should not break easily, shiny and smooth appearance, maintain color of lips for long period and it remove easily, should not break during storage. Formulation of lipsticks, in that bases oily fatty materials and waxes like mineral oil, vegetable oil, cocoa butter, lanolin, carnauba wax, beeswax, etc. Coloring materials, titanium dioxide, soluble eosin, halogenated derivatives of fluorescein and tetrabromofluorescein. Perfumes, floral, fruity and light spicy fragrances. Antioxidants, they are used for prevent rancidity butylated hydroxyanisole, that is BHA, and butylated hydroxytoluene means BHT, then propyl gallate, etc. Formula for lipstick is carnauba wax 1 gram, beeswax 15 gram, lanolin 5 gram, cetyl alcohol 5 gram, castor oil 65 ml, coloring matter and perfume quantity sufficient. See in the figure, these are some lipsticks given over here. Bleaches. Let's see the figure of Olivia bleaches. These are agents which lighten the skin color. The lightening of the skin color may be reducing pigmentation, decolorize the melanin present or prevent new melanin from being formed. They also protect the skin from UV, that is ultraviolet radiations. The bleach contain sunscreening agent which prevent reoxidation by UV light. In the bleaches contain the skin lightening agents which are of following types: opaque covering agents, for an example titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, talc, kaolin; oxidizing agents, for an example hydrogen peroxide, sodium hydrochloride solution; mercury compounds, for an example red mercury oxide, hydroxyl quinoline. Some natural lightening materials are buttermilk, lemon juice, crushed strawberries, etc. Shaving media. They are used to remove hair, particularly from men's faces. Some women's are also used for removal of hairs from the legs, underarms. Shaving media are of three types: pre-shave products for softening of beard, shaving products, shaving cream, leather shaving cream, aftershave products to refresh the skin. See in the diagram or in this picture, there are some shaving medias. So the dental and cosmetic preparation, that is facial cosmetics, the learning outcomes are: what is the facial cosmetics? Then the preparations of eye makeup, eyeshadow, eyebrow pencils, mascara, lipstick, bleaches and shaving media. Thank you.